Hello, little artists. Welcome back to Magic Art. Today we're going to draw yummy ice creams, an ice cream bar, and a triple scoop cone. Are you ready? Grab your pencil, some paper, and let's begin.
Magic Art.
Yay!
Let's start with the ice cream bar. First, draw a rectangle for the ice cream. Now, add a wavy topping on top, like melting chocolate. Draw a round half circle above it to make round top. Don't forget the colorful sprinkles. They look super tasty. Let's make it extra fun by drawing cute eyes and a smiling face. Time to color. Let's color the melting cream with red. And color the ice cream bar yellow. Use different colors for the sprinkles. Make them bright and cheerful. Yay! Our ice cream bar is ready. It's looking so tasty. Do you like bar ice creams? I love them. Now, let's draw the ice cream cone. Start with a big triangle for the cone. Then, draw 3 big scoops on top, one on another. Color the cone with light brown and add some cross lines to make it look like a real waffle cone. Let's add cute eyes on the cone too. It looks adorable. Now color the 3 scoops with pink, yellow, and orange. add some dripping cream and little sprinkles on each scoop. So yummy! Wow, look at that! Our ice creams are ready and they look super cute and delicious.
Yay!
If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Magic Art. See you next time for more fun drawings. Bye-bye.